We picked industrial injection back when we first started the business, when Chad and Jamie first started Alligator Performance, because they were one of the up-and-coming companies that were really at the forefront of diesel technology and building out injectors and starting to really get the fueling down for the needs that we have as diesel enthusiasts to really make our trucks perform.
The products you guys manufacture, the family values that you guys carry as a company, those two things are huge. And the support that we get for not only our customers, but for ourselves and the internal workings of how we do business together, you couldn't ask for a better partnership.
Brady and Geraldine are really awesome people, and they really like Brady a lot. He was a mentor to a lot of us in the industry. I know to Alligator Performance, he had really helped us grow our business to what we are today. And without the Williams together, Geraldine and Brady, I don't know if we really would have the business that we have right now.
Brady, when I first met him, was a hard nut to crack, not just for me, because I felt intimidated. But as I got to know him better and better, and we'd have our usual office visits with a glass of whiskey, he was one of the best people I've ever met in my life. Like, he not only cared about me as an individual, he cares about everybody that's around, and just his giant laugh and smile and his presence. He was just an unbelievable guy. I missed the phone calls. I missed the times we spent together talking about business and talking about family and friendships, and that's the hardest thing for me since he's been gone. Geraldine, you know, I remember getting the phone call last year, and I remember walking into her office and just giving her the biggest hug that I could, because I knew how much that Brady was a part of her, you know, just her being like soulmate. And I just love the family. I just love I think my biggest thing is I'm a family guy. I love being around family. I treat my employees like family. And seeing the way that has continued and going to be on, in the future for the industrial family. And I feel like part of that. Like, I feel like we've stayed at their house before. I mean, you couldn't ask for a better group of people.
We're excited for the future. I mean, this year has been a proving ground for a program that nobody's ever done before, that we've kind of spearheaded with industrial, and seeing the massive growth that we've had and what we have planned for next year together, the sky's the limit.
Guy back in that booth, Sterling, has been probably one of the most influential people for industrial for our company. When we have a sales guy that can come up and we walk in and we just immediately, it's like a big smile on his face, and so I think, going forward, I think we will maintain this relationship because of the way you guys are again, go back to that family deal. I think, I don't see any of that changing. I see that the legacy that has been laid out, before them, nothing's changing. This is going to be a great relationship forever.
I was gonna come over and tell Sterling that your guys' display blows, so.
Hey, I told them that if they come into my event, they better bring the damn thing because it's awesome. Gets people excited. They're like, damn, that's cool, you know, and they want to come and check it out, and then they want to hang out. They're not just walking by picking up free stickers at that point. They really want to find out what's going on. It's the reason why it's sitting up front by my booth.
That thing is awesome. When I first saw that at UCC, I was like, what in the Sam hell is that thing going up? It took 8 guys to put this thing up. And I think it's been a great little marketing piece for you guys. In fact, we're like, we should get one of those. So if somebody wants to copy you, you know you're doing something right. That thing's bitching.